A speedy and modest cash offer is the best approach to sell a vacant lot. In most cases, cash offers result in faster closings, no third-party expenses, and uncontested transactions than conventional, mortgage-backed sales. Additionally, cash purchasers have the freedom to not worry about meeting the stringent financial requirements or navigating the complex laws that other buyers must contend with in order to purchase a home. Therefore, cash buyers can be an excellent choice to help you get the best possible price for a vacant home. So, what exactly does it mean to go with a cash buyer? Those in need of the quickest and most convenient way to acquire their dream home can check into cash buyers. You won't have to go through the standard real estate inspection and loan application processes. In addition, there aren't any prohibitive lending costs or long wait times associated with this option. Remember, too, that cash purchasers present opportunities for bargaining, increasing the likelihood that you'll be able to obtain the property of your dreams at a fair price. In other words, cash buyers give a terrific option to invest in your selected home swiftly and cost-effectively, all while sidestepping the laborious paperwork generally involved in real estate transactions. Justifications for using this approach. Vacant homes are more attractive to cash purchasers because of the savings and ease they provide. Cash purchases are advantageous because they eliminate the need for lengthy and expensive loan or finance applications, saving both sellers and purchasers valuable time and resources. Closings with cash buyers are often expedited because there are no financing delays or other complexities involved. And many times, they'll even pay your closing costs, saving you hundreds of dollars on the property transaction. Furthermore, cash purchasers have the power to strike the most advantageous deals. Terms that are usually used. Timing is key when trying to negotiate a high price with cash buyers for an empty property. The best bids are those that can be closed immediately, without having to wait for funds. They also give the seller the assurance that the sale will close without any complications, which is crucial for everyone involved. Earnest money deposits, closing costs, title insurance, and other special terms and conditions should all be taken into account when an offer is made. Partnering with a seasoned real estate attorney is also recommended for peace of mind and strong legal assistance. They can safeguard your interests, ensure security, and guarantee the greatest possible price for a vacant home. Evaluation of empty spaces. There is seldom a better buyer than someone with cash for an empty home. Their method is not only quick, but it also eliminates the requirement for a bank loan approval and the expenses often connected with a real estate agent. Researching the neighborhood, the type of property, and market trends will help you determine the property's true value, which is essential for making a wise investment. You may start negotiations with confidence if you do some research into the perspectives of area buyers, sellers, and appraisers. You can get the greatest possible financial result when buying a vacant home from a cash buyer, since not only can the procedure be finished quickly, but also the hassle of banks and third parties is eliminated. Categories of empty houses. There are a number of advantages to finding a buyer who can pay cash for your unoccupied property. These institutional investors and large real estate funds can close rapidly without disclosing any of their financial information to outside parties. They are the best option for individuals who need to buy quickly because of their willingness to negotiate the best possible price and even pay for closing costs. Cash purchasers simplify the buying process because they are willing to acquire a property in its current condition without having it inspected or appraised. But their offers are typically lower than those of traditional buyers, and they may want a greater initial payment. Thus, it is prudent to take into account all these factors while negotiating with a cash buyer in order to get the best price. Posing an offer to the vendor. If you're looking to make an investment in a vacant home, a cash buyer may have an advantage over other buyers. Since a cash offer doesn't require the time-consuming involvement of realtors or bankers, it's typically much quicker. Buyers need to act quickly and strategically when evaluating a situation and making an offer. Repairs, closing costs, and the closing date are all important factors to think about during negotiations. Buyers can protect themselves from getting ripped off when purchasing an empty property by doing their homework, negotiating smartly, and consulting with an experienced real estate attorney. Comparison of cash offer to other proposals. Unoccupied home sellers should prioritize cash offers. Buyers not only obtain the best price on the property, but the sale can be finalized quickly, typically within days. For other homeowners selling with a mortgage in hand, the standard selling procedure is not only time-consuming but may also cost a lot of money for things like inspections, appraisals, and offers. Sellers can save time and money by dealing with cash buyers. Timing is everything. Negotiating the purchase of an empty property with cash purchasers requires a sense of timing. Purchasers that move swiftly can avoid paying agent fees and get the best potential price by taking advantage of the speedy closing dates associated with cash buyers. The fact that cash purchasers can close on a foreclosed home in as little as a week is icing on the cake. If you're looking to sell an empty home quickly and at a fair price, a cash buyer is your best bet.